Welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use Bittr to buy Bitcoin directly into your Ledger hardware wallet. It's one of the easiest and fastest setups out there, thanks to our smooth integration. Let's dive in. First, head over to getbittr.com. Once you're there, click on Buy Bitcoin. Next, you'll need to enter your email address and hit Send Verification Mail. After that, check your inbox for an email from Bittr. Open the email and click on the link to confirm your address. Simple, right? Back on the Bittr website, you'll need to enter your IBAN. Once you've done that, it's time to select your wallet. Click on Ledger. Next, get your Ledger wallet ready. The first step is to connect your Ledger device to your computer using the USB cable. Enter your PIN to unlock it. With your Ledger unlocked, click on the first box to connect it with Bittr. A window will pop up where you can select your Ledger device. Once selected, click on Connect. Next, we need to load your Bitcoin address from the Ledger. Click on the second box. If not done already, open the Bitcoin application on your Ledger device first, which I'm quickly going to do. I click again to load the address from the Ledger. Your Ledger will now show a message asking you to sign it. Confirm and sign the message on the device to finish the process. Lastly, choose whether you want to use an XPUB or a single address. With an XPUB, your Bitcoin is sent to a new address every time, which is better for your privacy. I'm going to add the XPUB. And that's it. Now you'll see all the details you need for your bank transfer. Make sure to use your personal payment description when sending money. It's linked to your wallet. You can simply copy IBAN and payment reference by clicking on them. Every time you send money, you'll receive Bitcoin directly into your Ledger. Let me show you how. To complete the process, you need to set up a bank transfer. Open your banking app and enter name, IBAN, and the amount you want to convert into Bitcoin. If you like to start a Bitcoin savings plan, you can set up a recurring bank transfer. I'm setting up a monthly transfer, so I only need to set it up once and everything runs automatically. Don't forget to add your payment description as a reference. Once the transfer is complete, head back to your email inbox. You should soon receive a confirmation email from Bittr that confirms that your Bitcoin purchase is complete and that Bitcoin has been sent to your wallet. The email also shows you all the important details like the Bitcoin amount you received and the exchange rate that was used for your purchase. And that's it. I hope this was useful. Stay humble and StackSats.